Dreams, we believe in passing the ball to the next leaders and watch them score. This week, the Student of the Week is... Noah Davis!
Hey family, my name is Noah Davis and I'm in Brother Miller's second grade class. My favorite subject in school is math. I love to play baseball, soccer, football, karate, and basketball. And when I grow up, I want to be a basketball player. Here's what I love about the University of Dreams. I love that we learn a lot of math, and I love our specials classes. Thank you for making me Student of the Week. Bye-bye, family!
Well, since he's been at the University of Dreams, he is a very mature young man. He knows how to make right and wrong decisions, and I noticed that really early when he plays sports with other kids. When they're making decisions that we would not normally agree with, he's quick to say, you know, that's not right, or that's not what they would do in the Bible, or he's quick to call them out on it and let us know, Mom, what they were doing, that's not right, and they don't speak right. So I noticed growth and maturity in it.
I've noticed the fact that Noah's just a very respectful young man. He's always, yes sir, no sir, yes ma'am, no ma'am. And you know, we preach that at home, and the University of Dreams is an extension of us at home, and they continue to harp on the same thing. I see his work ethic, he has a tremendous work ethic. He comes to work, he comes home, he starts his homework right away. He makes good grades, man, and University of Dreams has been a blessing to us, and I hope it continues just to be a blessing to Noah at the same.
Sometimes in life we fumble, but every time we fumble, we get a chance to get back up again, and maybe it's you, but maybe it's your seed. At the University of Dreams, we all score. Yeah!
Congratulations, Noah! You're doing an incredible job at the University of Dreams. And we know this won't be the last time that you're going to see your name in lights.